Hello, teacher.
Hello, Tom. How are you today?
I'm good and you?
Yes, I'm excellent, thank you. And how old are you, Tom?
I'm 11 years old.
Good. What are you going to do tomorrow?
Um, I'm going to the beach with my family.
Nice. And look at these ones. Can you tell me, using your present continuous, what are they doing? Tell me about three things. What is he doing?
He tied his shoes.
Good. What is she doing?
She's playing piano.
Good. What are they doing?
They speaking English.
Good. Do we say they is or they are?
Oh,
What do you say? They is speaking English or they are or they am?
oh.
They.
They are speaking
Yeah.
English.
Nice, Tom. Okay. Could you do a cartwheel when you were 6?
Yes. Yes, I could.
Okay, nice. Could you tie your shoes when you were 9?
No, I couldn't.
Okay. Could you could you whistle a tune when you were 5?
No, I couldn't.
Alright, good. Now, can you make a question for me about one of these?
Could you play piano when you were 5?
Yes, but not very well.
No. Could you speaking English when you were 7?
Yes, I could. Good, Tom. Okay, now look at these ones. We'll do difficult, boring, exciting, and dangerous. So here, you can say most difficult, okay? This is the most, this is the most, this is the most. And this is the least. And in the middle, you can compare the two,
Oh.
okay? You can tell me about which ones you think are difficult.
I think scuba diving is the most difficult.
Okay, good.
And I think snowboarding is.
This one is skiing, that's snowboarding. Good try there.
I think skiing is the most difficult too.
Okay.
And I think hiking is the most
Now,
boring.
now you can compare them. You can say, I think skiing is more difficult than.
I think skiing is more difficult than hiking.
Okay, good.
And I think golfing. I think scuba diving is more difficult than golfing.
Okay, that's good, Tom. And now we do boring. What do you think is boring? And what do you think is more boring? Even more boring, and then the most boring.
I think sailing is the most boring.
Yep, good.
I think rock climbing is the most boring too.
Okay. Now we can compare them. Remember, more using more.
I think roller skater is more boring than rock climbing.
Okay, so if we go there, it was more boring.
And I think
So you will compare here. You will say rock climbing is more boring than.
I think running is boring than rock climbing.
Okay. So remember, this end is the most boring. So this would be boring, boring, less boring, less boring. Right? This is always the most on this side. So maybe we can start with these. Start with number 1 for exciting. Now you can take any and tell me about exciting. Which one is exciting? Which one is more exciting than this one? Then most exciting. You can use these ones too.
I think hiking is more.
You can say for the first one, you can say I think hiking is exciting.
I think hiking is the most exciting.
Good.
I think scuba diving
Is
is exciting too.
this one you can compare, right? You can say it's more exciting than.
I think scuba diving is more exciting than hiking.
Good.
I think snowboarding is exciting.
Yep.
I think snowboarding is more exciting than skydiving.
Okay, still a bit confused, right? This one's the most exciting, remember? Now you can do dangerous. So we say dangerous. This one is more dangerous than that one. This one is more dangerous than that one. And this one is the most dangerous. Remember?
I think skating
Skiing, yeah.
is dangerous,
Good.
and I think scuba diving
Is
is more dangerous than skiing,
skiing, yeah, good.
and I think in snowboarding
Is
is more dangerous than scuba diving,
okay. Now what about the most?
and skydiving is the most dangerous.
Good, Tom. Okay, that's correct. And now you can talk about a place at school. What is your favorite place at school? Which place do you like the most?
The place I like most
Yeah.
is the playground.
Good. Remember we say is, not eat. Alright? Is.
Oh,
Try again.
mm,
What do you usually do there?
I usually play chasing
Hmm?
in 2 times a day with my friends.
Excellent, Tom. Okay, why is it better than other places at school?
Mm, I like it better than other
Yeah?
places
Good.
because it's more noisy than my classroom.
Okay, nice. And you like it because it's more noisy. Alright. What rules do students have to follow in this place?
The rules that I need to follow is keep clean and don't break anything in class.
Good. Alright. If you could change one thing about this place, what would it be?
If I could just one thing
Yeah.
in the playground,
Yeah?
I would just to make the playground bigger, help to my favorite game
Yeah?
and halfway to house.
Alright. Nice, Tom. That's good. You're finished. Well done.
What about teacher?